Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 6 feet tall Christmas tree that this brand sent to me for this video, which I gotta say that there is a minimum assembled. I want to say that it's probably like between 10 to 15 minutes because this one comes all compressed. But as soon as you actually put it in this position, it's going to be part number 1, part number 2, and part number 3, or A, B, and C. And then you're going to connect the cables inside, which are also labeled with A, B, and C. You connect them with each other. And this one comes with a button and lights that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. Also, there is another thing that this one comes with an X-shaped base that is going to allow you to put this one in this position, in a stable position, because it's not going to be like super flimsy. This is a heavy tree. So that's another good thing to know. Also, it comes with about 250 LED lights. I'm going to turn off the light right here so you can see it better in just a few seconds. And about 800 plus branches. It's insane how much it comes. And it also comes with this kind of like snow that you can see. This is a snowy pine, I have to say. But also, I want to say that if you're going to put this one inside, I better kind of like recommend you to assemble this one outside or in a place that you can actually use a broom or something like that and just clean, because the snow, it may fall a little bit when you're assembling this one. But let me turn off the lights right now. Okay, check this out. I have the button right here on my feet right here. I'm gonna do this and it changes to colors, which I think it is kind of like nice, you know. And if you keep pressing, it changes to kind of this pulse mode, and then the same one but with colors. And then you can have this one, which is going to be a fixated one that is going to be transitioning to the cozy yellow one, and then kind of like a flashy one with also changes to colors as well. And then this one, which I really like, I think this one is my favorite. It keeps changing in between the two of them. So you have this snowy pine tree, 6 feet tall, also with about 250 LED lights and about 800 branches, easy assemble, nice with the snow, and also big and stable firm base. I like it and I do recommend it.